Hello friends, my name is Arvind. I am explaining dewatering. Definition of the dewatering is removal of the underground water. Construction, dewatering, unwatering or water control are common terms used to describe the removal or draining of groundwater or surface water for the reverbed construction site, cation and mine shaft by pumping or evaporation. On construction site, this dewatering may be implemented before subsurface excavation for foundations, shoring or cell space to lower the water table. This frequently involves the use of submersible dewatering pumps, centrifugal pumps, educators or application of the vacuum to well points. Dewatering equipments in the construction. The purpose of the construction dewatering is to control the surface and subsurface hydrological environment in such a way that so permit the structure to constructed in the dry. Dewatering means the separation of the water from the soil, or perhaps taking the water out of the particular construction problems completely. This leads to the concept like pre-drainage of the soil, control of the groundwater and even the improvement of the physical properties of the soil. Now we are discussing about the methods of dewatering. The first one is dewatering by the pumps, second one is dewatering by the well points, third point is dewatering by the vacuum wells and fourth point is dewatering by the electro-osmotic wells. Now we are briefly describing about the dewatering by the pumping. When soil is excavated below or near the water table, pumps will be usually used to dewater the site. This is the diagram of the pumping. Next one is classification of the pumps. The first one is displacement, reciprocating pump and diaphragm pump. Second one is centrifugal pump. Third one is submersible pumps. Fourth one is jet pumps. Selection of the pumps. Rate at which the water must be pumped. Second point is discharge head and solution head. Third point, pressure head. Fourth point, the variation in the water level at the suction head. Fourth one, the attitude of the project. Fifth one, size of the delivery pipe. This is the diagram of the dewatering by the well points. Here you can see the installation instructions which are given here. This is the diagram of the well point. Here we can see the well point. In this diagram we can see the three diagrams of the dewatering. Next one is vacuum wells. This type is just well points that are sealed at the surface at the well casing with botonite or clay in order from the pump to get better suction. In fine grained soils, a sand filter should be used around the well point and the riser pipe. We are discussing now about the electro-osmotic wells. This method is process of accelerating the flow of water through the soil by using direct current. Second point, usually space well at the intervals of about 35 feet, then driving the grounding rods between the wells. Attach a negative terminal of the DC voltage at the each wells and the positive terminal on the each grounding rod. A voltage of 1.5 to 4 volts per foot between the well and ground rod is then applied. This will increase the flow of water to the well. Studies have been proven that this method is extremely effective for the increasing water flow through the soil. Thank you for watching the video.